Hi guys, here's everything that you can get at CVS for just $25 and some change, including your tax. And this includes starting with no rewards. For transaction number 1, we're going to pick up 2 of the Oral-B Charcoal Twin Packs priced at $9.99. And on a promotion that we spend $20, you're going to receive a $10 extra buck back. 2 of these will total you $19.98, and then you want to clip this $4 off of 2 digital coupon and this $3 off of 1 digital coupon. And you also want to check your CVS account to see if you have this 4 off of 20 CVS coupon. And yes, I know we're not spending exactly $20, but if your store follows the 98% rule, because we're spending at least 98% of the $20, we will get the extra bucks back. And I did explain this more in my last video. So after the $7 in digital manufacturer coupons and the $4 CVS coupon, we should be left to pay $8.98 plus tax at the register. And you know the deal, let's head to checkout. It worked out perfectly. All the coupons came off like they were supposed to. We were left to pay $8.98 at the register plus tax. Then we received this $10 extra buck. We're going to roll into transaction number 2. For transaction number 2, we're going to pick up 2 of the Shea Moisture Styling Gels priced at $9.99. And they're on a promotion that when you spend $20 on participating items, you're going to receive a $10 extra buck back. So 2 of these are going to total you $19.98. And then you want to clip this $6 off of 2 digital coupon. And then we're also going to roll in that $10 extra buck from transaction number 1. That should leave us to pay $3.98 plus tax at the register. Now let's head to checkout. This worked out perfectly, and we were left to pay $3.98 plus tax at the register, but then we receive our $10 extra buck that we're going to roll into transaction number 3. For transaction number 3, you want to pick up 1 of the Scott's toilet paper, either the Comfort Plus or the 1,000 rolls. Either one are priced at $10.49. And then pick up 1 of the Scott paper towels, also priced for $10.49. And all of these are on a promotion that when you spend $20, you're going to receive a $5 extra buck back. And also you can choose to either pick up 2 paper towels or 2 toilet papers. I'm just doing paper towels and toilet paper, but you can choose whatever works for your family. So 2 of these are going to total you $20.98, and then you want to clip this $3 off of 2 digital coupon. And then we're going to roll in the $10 extra buck for transaction number 2. That should leave us to pay $7.98 plus tax at the register. Now let's head to checkout. It worked out perfectly. We were left to pay $7.98 plus tax at the register, but then we received this $5 extra buck that we're going to roll into our 4th and final transaction. For transaction number 4, we're going to pick up 2 of the Lysols for $5.99. On a promotion, buy 1, get 1 50% off, and when you purchase 2, you're going to receive a $3 extra buck back. 2 of these are going to total you $8.98, and then you're going to clip this 50% off of 1 digital coupon. And then we're also going to roll in that $5 extra buck from transaction number 3. That should leave us to pay $3.48 plus tax at the register. Now let's head to checkout. It worked out perfectly, and we paid $3.48 plus tax at the register. Here's everything that we were able to get for a little bit over $25. My total out-of-pocket cost was $25.95, and this included my state tax. But remember, yours could be lower or higher, so you want to account for that. And yes, we did go over our $25 spend limit. But I think we got some quality products that we don't always get deals for. And of course, these are always just suggestions. You do whatever works for your family. I hope this was helpful, and as always, stop paying full price in 2024 and go score.